Hey everyone, how is it going? Welcome back to Beasteg's TV. Thanks for stopping by. Really glad to have you here. Today, I've got a fantastic recipe that's not only delicious, but also perfect for anyone looking to lose weight. We're making the ultimate weight loss salad, the Chickpea and Avocado Power Bowl. It's loaded with nutrients, super easy to make, and incredibly satisfying. Let's dive right in. For the ingredients, here's what you'll need for this tasty salad. A can of chickpeas, diced avocado, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, fresh parsley, and for a bit of crunch and sweetness, sunflower seeds and dried cranberries. Let's talk about why this salad is a great choice for weight loss. First up, chickpeas. These little legumes are a powerhouse of protein and fiber. Protein is essential for building muscle, which boosts your metabolism, and fiber helps keep you full longer, reducing overall calorie intake. This makes chickpeas a great addition to any weight loss plan. Next, avocado. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which help you feel satisfied and prevent overeating. They also provide essential nutrients like potassium and fiber. Despite their fat content, avocados can actually aid in weight loss by keeping hunger at bay. Cherry tomatoes and cucumber are low in calories but high in vitamins and minerals. They add a fresh, crunchy texture to the salad without contributing many calories, making them perfect for weight management. Red onion adds a bit of zing and flavor, and it's low in calories. Fresh parsley not only brightens up the salad, but also provides antioxidants and additional nutrients. Sunflower seeds and dried cranberries are optional, but they add a delightful crunch and a touch of natural sweetness. They also bring healthy fats and additional nutrients to the mix. Next step, let's make the dressing. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and a tablespoon of honey or maple syrup if you like a hint of sweetness. Add a teaspoon of Dijon mustard and season with salt and pepper. Whisk it all together until the ingredients are well combined. This dressing is light and tangy, and it ties all the flavors together beautifully. Next step, combine and toss. Pour the dressing over the salad ingredients. Give it a good toss to ensure all the ingredients are evenly coated with the dressing. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy. And there you have it, our Chickpea and Avocado Power Bowl. It's light, refreshing, and packed with nutrients that'll keep you full and satisfied. While the ingredients are healthy, portion control is important. Overeating even healthy foods can lead to excess calorie intake. Incorporating this salad into a well-balanced diet with a variety of nutrient-dense foods will help you achieve and maintain weight loss goals. Also, pairing a healthy diet with regular exercise is key to effective weight management. So, while the salad itself is healthy and can be part of a weight loss plan, it's most effective when combined with overall healthy eating habits and lifestyle choices. This salad is perfect for weight loss because it's high in protein and fiber, which help manage hunger and support a healthy metabolism. The healthy fats from the avocado keep you satisfied without the extra calories. That's it, everyone. Quick, easy, healthy, and delicious. Thank you so much for watching the video and supporting Beasteg's TV. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any delicious recipes. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Always stay positive. Have a great day, everyone. Cheers.